Hi kindergarten friends, Miss Scarborough again. Today we're doing lowercase t on page 55. So make sure you're sitting bottom to bottom, back to back, feet flat on the floor. You can use your hand that you don't write with to support your book. See, mine's about to fall off the table. And make sure you have a proper pencil grip, okay? Lowercase t is not quite a tall letter. You will notice that it starts kind of in the middle of the space between the dotted line and the sky. It starts in the middle. So it has two strokes. We're going to pull down straight, we're going to lift our pencil, and we're going to slide right. Okay? You notice I kind of have to lift my hand and move my wrist to get the proper stroke. Okay? Pull down straight, slide right. We are crossing at that dotted line right on top of it. I'm going to trace over the top of it. Down here, they've also given you a dot so that you can practice doing it by yourself. I'm going to pull down straight all the way to the red line. Instead of crossing in the middle, though, we're going to cross at the dotted line. So it's going to be a little bit of a longer space at the bottom than at the top. Pull down straight, cross at the dotted line. Pull down straight, slide right. I want to make sure I'm not going above like that. Okay, I want to start at the dot, pull down straight, and I want to make sure I'm not putting this too low down here. Pull down straight, slide right. Pull down straight, slide right. You're going to finish the third row by yourself. Down here it says use the code to color the train. So anywhere you see a 1, you're going to color it blue. Anywhere you see a number 2, you're going to color in that space red. If you see a number 3, you're going to color in that space green. If you see a 4, you're going to color in that space yellow. And if you see a 5, you're going to color in that space black. So you can use crayons on this part right here. And then put the crayons away and get your pencil back out. Because remember, we only do handwriting and pencil. You are going to do lowercase t at the bottom. Remember to start between the dotted line and the sky, halfway through. Pull down straight, slide right. You're also going to need one here and here. Finish tracing the words. Do your checkup. Are your letters the correct size? Yes or no? And then go back and circle the letter you thought was the best that you did and put an X on the one that maybe next time you could do a little bit better. This is lowercase t on page 55. Good luck!